travelers, please step into our Ace Centennial Vortex and join us for a trip back in time to the Benicia waterfront, circa 1847. Benicia becomes one of the busiest seaports in the young state of California when the news of the Sierra Gold is leaked at the waterfront tavern.
Only in Benicia.
State capital. Almost 200 bills were passed here, including a law giving women the right to own property free of their husbands. And a woman's fight for freedom begins. To protect Frontier California, the U.S. Army builds its first West Coast base in Benicia, known as the Arsenal. It stores weapons to arm a division of 22,000. On October 18, 1912, disaster strikes. Arizona desert. The test failed and the animals were sent to Benicia for auction. And an iconic Benicia character was born. Across the bay sits a small town called Crockett, home to C&H Sugar. Crockett is arguably the sweetest town in America. In a 500 square foot storefront on the 2nd Avenue, a new merchant appears called Fierpo and Pedrotti. An institution is born. This year, in 1924, 5 Chicago merchants form a hardware co-op and name it after the fearless World War I fighter pilots. Years pass, Ace decides to go west to California and the city of Benicia and open a warehouse at the brand new Benicia Industrial Park. Across town, artists gather, potters, painters, glass blowers, and more. Robert Arneson, father of the funk art style, joins us tonight from the perch of the Benicia bench. 'Gene Pedrotti joins Pedrotti Hardware to work side by side with his father and uncle. On Valentine's Day, 1992, they relocate to Benicia and a romance begins. Later, Pedrotti Hardware is awarded the President's Cup by Ace Hardware. The country's best Ace Hardware is right here in Benicia. Filming 2 commercials in Benicia, football legend and Ace spokesperson John Madden declares Ace is the place. John just passed away in December, and the entire Ace community wishes to thank the Madden family. John will remain huge in Ace history. Individuals who serve 50 years in the hardware trade are awarded the Estwing Gold Hammer. Pedrotti Hardware has 3. What an achievement!
Raiders! Yeah! Thank you.
What do you think of your Ace team? How about a round of applause for the over 500 employees who have served in your community in the past 100 years? The oldest company in Benicia, Pedrotti Hardware, invites you to visit our historic city. Enjoy our arts, culture, and great dining options. Benicia, a great day on the bay. On behalf of Pedrotti Hardware and the city of Benicia, please join us in wishing happy birthday to the US of A.
All of us coming to
California.